Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Bhubaneswar location. It is from Orissa. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job vacancy for demonstrator position from Swami Vivekananda National Institute of Rehabilitation Training and Research. So it is a department of empowerment of persons with disabilities. So it is located at Kathak, Orissa. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 35,000 rupees per month. Only one vacancy is available for this post, and so education qualification will be BPO, and 4 to 1 year of fresher candidates are eligible to apply for this position, and last date for application process is 6th May 2021. And if you are interested to apply for this position, so you can check here with the application procedure. So for more detailed information like application detailed application procedure and selection procedure and other details, you can check in the official website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for accountant from Swami Vivekananda National Institute of Rehabilitation Training and Research. So they are going to offer a salary for this portion is 1,12,400 rupees per month, and one vacancy is available for this post. 5 to 8 years of experience is required. Qualification will be BCom and CA. So these candidates are eligible to apply for this position, and last date for application process is 6th May 2021. So if you are interested to know more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in this website link provided here, where you will get a detailed information like selection procedure and application process, and you will get to know. Next, there is a job vacancy for physical medicine and rehabilitation position from Swami Vivekananda National Institute of Rehabilitation Training and Research. So, for this job opening, only one vacancy is available. Education qualification will be MS or MD, and also 3 to 7 years of experience is required. So last date for application process is 6th May 2021. So if you are interested, you can visit in this website link for more detailed information about this job opening. Next, there is a job vacancy for additional program officer position from Panchayati Raj Department of Government of Odisha. So it is for Bhubaneswar location, and the salary will be 20,000 rupees per month. 23 vacancies are available for this post. Fresher candidates are also eligible. So MA, MBA or PGDM, PG Diploma, MSW. So these are the education qualification details. So these candidates are eligible to apply for this position, and the last date for application process is 11th April 2021. And you can check here with the selection procedure, and for further details about this job opening, you can visit in this website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for customer care associate and beauty advisor position from Shoppers Stop Limited. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 3,20,000 rupees per annum. So interested candidates, you can check here with the job description, and you can also check with the roles and responsibilities provided here. And for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in this website link provided. There is a job opening for unit admin and maintenance head position from Shoppers Stop Limited. It is for Bhubaneswar location, and they are going to offer a salary range between 3 lakhs to 5 lakh rupees per annum. So coming to job description, you need to check the manpower status of security and housekeeping first thing in the morning, and in case of shortages, liaise with the security housekeeping supervisors to get people. Trains the housekeeping and security staff whenever any new persons join. check up the grooming standards of the housekeeping and security staff, ensures cleanliness of the store, glass tops of fixtures, etc. Monitors the work of the security and housekeeping staff by ensuring that the prepared monthly, weekly, and hourly checklist and for housekeeping and security are adhered to sorts out customer issues, and you need to handle shoplifters, follows norms while questioning shoplifters. So this is about the job description. You please go through it once. So if you have any doubts, you can check in the official website link provided here. So you'll get more detailed information about this job opening. Next, there is a job vacancy for junior librarian position from OSSC. So it is for Bhubaneswar location. So 25 vacancies are available for this post. Salary will be 16,880 rupees per month. So freshers are also eligible to apply for this position, and education qualification will be BLIP and MLIP. So last date for application process is 22nd April 2021. If you see here, selection procedure is mentioned, so please check with this. And for more detailed information about this job vacancy, other information like selection procedure and application procedure and other details, you can visit in this website link, where you will get a clear information about this job opening. Next, there is a job opening for district culture officer position from OSSC. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 16,800 rupees per month. If you see here, 20 vacancies are available for this post. So fresher candidates are also eligible. For education qualification will be MA. So last date for application process is 22nd April 2021, and for more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can visit in the website link provided here, that is https://www.ossc.gov.in/. Next, there is a job opening for admission counselor position from Chanakya IAS Academy. It is for Bhubaneswar location. So salary will be ranging between 15,000 to 25,000 rupees per month. So coming to job description, counsel the walk-ins and telephonic inquiries, achieve assigned admissions target, help marketing team in organizing events, seminars, etc., coordinate with academics team for the classes of enrolled students, prepare daily, weekly, and monthly inquiries and admissions report. So this is about the job description. So if you have any queries, and you can contact, or you can approach them with the given mail ID, so they have provided here. If you are interested to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is hr@chanakya.iasacademy.com. Next, there is a job vacancy for Project Associate 1 position. It is from NISER for Bhubaneswar location, and the salary will be 25,000 rupees per month. If you see here, one vacancy is available for this post. A fresher and as well as 3 years of experienced candidates are eligible to apply. Education qualification will be BTech or BE and MSc. So these candidates are applicable, eligible for this job opening. So last date for application process is 5th April 2021, and you can also check here with the selection procedure. And for more detailed information and for the selection procedure and about application process and other details, you can visit in this website link provided here, that is https://www.niser.ac.in/. So that's it in this video, guys. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.